Hello. I just got adjusted by Dr. Brandon. My first time ever being adjusted by a chiropractor. And I get it. I get it. I feel like there's somehow like new lubrication in the way that I'm moving. I feel like I could go and give an audition right now and have zero regrets. I mean, so connected to your body. That's incredible. 10 out of 10. Hi, my name is Taylor Payne, and I'm here to get my first ever chiropractic adjustment by Dr. Brandon. I do a lot of physical activity sparsely with acting. I act in the area on a children's show. And so there's a lot of running up and down and being really energetic for the audience. And as I get older, that's a lot harder to do.
So Taylor, what's bringing you in today?
I have some hip pain. I've been having it since I was a teenager.
Since teenager. Right hip, left hip?
Left hip, but both of them really. It's like if I stand for too long, it'll just...
When I came in, I had a lot of issues with my hip area that was simultaneously triggered when I stand for too long and when I sit for too long, which is tough because I work majorly from home.
And with that, do you get discomfort into the low back as well? Because oftentimes there is association to the low back and hip discomfort.
I was in a car accident when I was a teenager, and it's just always been there ever since.
Let's do this. Let's go through, be able to do some exam movements. You'll see what's happening. We'll mix in from like range of motion, compression, all that. You'll get a better idea as what's going on.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's exciting.
Does that feel a little tender for you?
I don't think so. Well, I mean, kind of.
Kind of. So what I'm finding is it's starting to get really tense and tight, especially on this right side. Just comparing side to side, then it jumps over to the left side right here.
Oh, you can feel it?
I can feel that. So like here, I get to that point and it's restricting. Get to here, I can push a little bit further. So here's what we're gonna do here. Go ahead, give yourself a big hug. There you go. We're gonna rotate. Okay, how's that feel with that?
Oh, I feel a stretch.
Feel a stretch?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Big time.
And how about with that?
It's wild. It's more of a stretch.
Okay. Rotate. How's that there?
Less of a stretch than the other. Oh, no, yep.
Now you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel any irritation with those movements at all?
No, I think it maybe hurt a little bit this way.
Going to the left here?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, so what I'm going to have you do, let's have you go on your stomach, face down, take your glasses off.
Okay.
Again, feel that movement there?
Yeah.
Feel that restriction there?
Oh, yeah, I do, actually.
A lot more restriction on that right side. So what I'm going to do here, very smooth, easy check with your legs. And right there, we see that right leg is coming up short in comparison to the left leg. You're just going to relax that right shoulder. Let it go.
Oh, my God.
So now we're going to here. Take a breath in. Let that breath out. So here, take a breath in.
Okay.
Let that breath out. Nice and easy. Gotta feel the adjustment. Go right here and right there. Everything loose. Let it be right there.
Wow. The amount of trust I have in you right now.
So now we're gonna get up here into the upper cervical.
Okay, I can't wait.
So what I'm gonna have you do, straighten out your left leg.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good. A little more.
Yeah.
How's that feel?
I feel like I could move better. Like I moved okay before, you know.
Good. Go.
Whoa. I feel like I'm living in my body, you know. We're doing I know. Look at this. Now I do feel a bit of soreness here. Is that normal?
There's
Am I right?
soreness that can happen.
Okay.
Just like working on it for the first time. When we get adjusted for the very first time, very, very common. Things are moving a little bit differently. Muscle's going to have to respond to it.
Oh, okay.
Soreness, that's normal.
I just got adjusted by Dr. Brandon. My first time ever being adjusted by a chiropractor. And I get it. I get it. I feel like there's somehow like new lubrication in the way that I'm moving. I feel like I could go and give an audition right now and have zero regrets. I mean, so connected to your body. That's incredible. 10 out of 10.